Hey guys, so tomorrow I'm going to be posting, we're going to be going fidget hunting, so stay tuned for that video. Yeah, I'm going to be looking for some fidgets at like Five Below, and I think Target, but I don't know, we'll have to see. I don't even know what stores we're going to. I know that we might be going to Five Below though. So stay tuned for that video. If you don't know what fidgets are, they're actually really popular. A lot of kids have them. I don't have any, like, at all. I think my brother might have, like, a yellow round poppet, but it has holes in it, and that's, like, it. I have mochis. Like, that's the only fidget I have, but, like, I don't even think they're considered fidgets. I mean, like, yeah, mochis are fidgets, but, like, look at this. Does this look like the mochi? My brother completely destroyed it, and my dog did some of this too. And then my little brother lost my other mochi. It was a panda. And when I finally found it, literally half of its body had been ripped off. So, yeah. Yeah. So stay tuned for that video. I've said that like, 5,000 times already. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and if we don't end up going, I'm really sorry, but we probably will. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, love you.